Welcome. In front of me I have BRAUN DigiFrame, and I'm going to show you how we can input the SD card. So at first we have to grab our device and rotate. And right now I'm going to take off this cable, and we have to insert card right here, and we have to put it like that in this position. So simply put it here and then just press with your finger or with your nail, and after that we have to plug the charger back and just rotate the device. And as you can see, that's how we can input the SD card. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.